Okay, today we're talking about perimeter. And perimeter is the area around, the distance around an object. A distance around a shape. So, this says, record the perimeter of your straw rectangle and parallelogram. We are not making a straw rectangle and parallelogram today. What you are going to do instead is you are going to draw these shapes with your ruler. You're going to create two triangles, a square, a rhombus, and a trapezoid. Okay? When you do that, you're going to just use your ruler, and first one you're going to create is a triangle. Okay? A triangle will have three sides. Okay? And you can just do it 1, 2, and 3. So go right across. And you'll see that's your triangle. Okay, that's triangle number 1. You'll see that you need two triangles. So you'll draw another triangle. It'll be triangle number 2. Okay, and you can make this one maybe bigger if you want to. It's up to you how you do it, because this is your triangle. Okay. Triangle number 2, right there. And then you need a square. And a square is going to have 4 sides, all the same. Okay? So for this one, you might want to measure it. I'm going to say it's 3 centimeters. I'm going between 1 centimeter and 4 centimeters. So I'm going to make all my sides 3 centimeters long. And I could do it at any place on my ruler, just as long as it's 3. Okay, between 4 and 7, between 4 and 7 again, that worked out. And then this one I'm going to do between, let's see, 16 and 19. So all of this I know is 3 centimeters. So I'm just going to label that 3 cm, 3 cm, 3 cm. And again, I always put my unit on, because that's going to help me when I go to find my perimeter. Okay, I'm going to need a rhombus, and I'm going to need a trapezoid. Well, a rhombus is going to look like, first to write it, rhombus. Okay, my rhombus is going to look like this. Alright, I'm going to do one of these, and then one of these, and then one of these, and one of these. Okay, it's kind of like the square got squashed a little bit. Alright, and actually this should be equal. So I want to check that and make sure all my sides are the same. And that will tell me if I got my angles correct. And then the last one that I need is a trapezoid. Okay, this is also a great exercise for you to do at home, because we need lots of practice measuring. Okay, so I'm going to draw 1, 2. The trapezoid has 4 sides, but the angles are different than the rhombus and the square. So you want to make your trapezoid with 4 sides. And like this. And you could also do some other shapes. Okay? So you could draw a pentagon, you could draw a hexagon, any of those to practice your measuring. But for this, you want to draw these kind of shapes here, and then you want to measure each side. Okay? These ones are already drawn out for you. So you can measure the perimeter already around them, because they're already there. And then for the last one, you have to draw each shape on the centimeter grid. So by centimeter grid, it's telling you that each one of these boxes measures 1 centimeter. Okay? And you need a square that's 16 centimeters and a rectangle with a perimeter of 20 centimeters for this one. So you can practice with that. And please ask me or send me an email or a phone call if there are any questions.